Here is two silk screen frame with a logo stencil. This is a fast color. This is fitting. After use this, make the frame with logo to here. And this one is second pattern, second color. It's a black color. This one is a red color. Now we need to install the fast color frame to the machine. 14. Install silk screen frame. It's necessary to ensure that the frame is parallel to the outer shape of the cup on both sides. The screen frame must be vertically parallel to the cup. Keep distance about 2 mm between the mesh and the cup. This screw, both sides can use to adjust the height of the screen frame. This and that one can adjust the height of the screen frame. Also, you can adjust the frame this parallel with this button. Also, you can adjust the frame this angle with these two screws. Up and down can adjust this. The mesh must parallel with the cup's outer shape. Keep the distance about 2 mm or 3 mm. If you want to move this switch front and back, you can lose this 4 screw and push or drag the switch in front side or back side. You can see you can drag it front or back side. Okay, after you drag it to the right position, leave here a little distance. Don't let the switch touch here, otherwise the logo will don't have ink here this place. Then tap that 4th screw. Then click the printing head up down. Let the printing head up. Then install the frame to the frame clipper. When you install this silk screen, you must sure this like a frame. You must make the frame parallel with the cup. You cannot like this or this or this. Must parallel the cup shape and this smooth direction. Otherwise, the logo will like this. It's not okay. Or like this. Or this, the logo cannot print into the cup. So you can use ruler to check both sides is parallel to the cup. Also, you can manual left or manual right to move this frame to. You can use marking here, can remark it and move it to check here with parallel to the cup. After you install the frame, you can click manual left or right, move the frame to check both side distance. Left or right side, the height distance is the same 2 mm or 3 mm both sides. That's important. Otherwise, if right side is too far away and the other side is too close, the logo will have a problem. After you install the silk screen mesh, you can use mark pen, remark some point here and rotate it to up. Then click manual left or and then you can like this. You can press the mesh to check this point and this point with parallel with the move direction. You can see. Then move the screen left and check again. You can see the mark point under the mesh. Sometimes if this side and the other side is not parallel, just a little, you can use this screw and adjust this and the other side to adjust the frame this direction angle. 14.2. Sitting start printing position on screen left position. You can move the silk screen. Move the silk screen to left side. Let the switch stop the start printing position like this, and fill this to here. Here that will be your start printing position. And the stop printing position on screen right position on printing parameter page. Move the silk screen to right. Then fill this to here. The printing position. You have to make the stop position on left, not right. Like this. When you click receipt, it will the select screen on the left and the switch on the right. That means the frame stop on left, and here will be stop printing position, and left will be stop printing position. 14.3, put ink to select screen mesh. After you put ink, click start button to check printing. First, we have to click receipt button. After we adjust the select screen frame, then before we start printing, we have to on the rotary control on, and this for the first color, the color sensor can off, and add a circle and stop position on left, and the printing check on, loading check on. Okay, printing. After printing, logo, you can see. One important thing, you must aim this printing check sensor in the cup. Here, not detected the cup. Here, the machine it can load the cup, but here we are not printing because here not detected the cup. So you need to aim this sensor in the cup. Otherwise, the printing screen will not printing logo. After we printed the first color, red color, now we have to install the second color select screen frame. Second color is black color. Printing the first color, we have to clean this select screen and use wash agent to clean the frame, save the frame for next time use. After printing, we have to use that wash agent to clean the select screen. After clean, you can see the mesh. If the mesh is clean, then it's okay. Here is no ink. Take a look.